Yo. What up? What up? What up? All right. Time to turn my screen sharing on. Sorry, chat. I'm just getting my shit together over here. Just finished eating, yo. So meet the balls. I had some meet the balls. For my wife not having any Italian in her except for me, she makes some fucking good ass food, especially fucking meatballs. This is what I'm working with right now. I didn't know. I forgot that I was on micros because I got a flip day in on these two. I'm on day 8 with these two. And then I was like, hey, let me trade these other ones. I like where this is. It's retesting the 707. Well, that's gold, which is fucking pumping. But look, here's a low from Friday. Here's the high from Friday, actually. Came all the way down, hit the 707, popped, and then retested it. So I figured, why not go long again and see what happens? It could drop more, right? Could go down to the 786. It could keep going after that. But I kind of like where this is at, so I took a fucking shot. I went long. The only issue is I went long with micros and not minis. So normally, at this point, I probably would have been in with one or two. Well, in this stage of the game, probably still one. But I'm in with fucking 4 micros instead of 1 or 2 minis. So I don't know. It's kind of just, it looks like it's flagging. But regardless, these two right here, chat, is it going to fucking roll over? That would suck. It's funny because if I was in a mini, I'd probably be done right now. Well, how much is it up? But these two right here, 561 and 562, are on day 8. Day 8 is locked. I will be requesting 2,000 each on those two accounts when the market closes. Max payout land. Who's out here? Who's out here? I can't hang out for too long, but I'm going to hang out as long as I can. So that's that. V33. Yo. Lee. T. Charles. DBT. A milli. Pine Tree. Oh, that's fucking great, bro. Did you mean to say hand job? Eric Graham, what up? Anthony Jr. Yeah. Northeast is getting fucking pummeled. Elevated life. Did I just finish the marathon? No, I finished playing baseball. I've still got my uniform on. At least my top. Looking good, Eric Graham. We love to see it. You're like right there. Yeah, bro. Good shit. Anthony Jr. Eddie. Coach Eddie. Yeah, fucking kill me. If it fucking starts blizzarding over here, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Carlos. Yeah, my mom is fucking in PA. She's probably getting fucking hammered. She's in Saylorsburg. She's in like on a fucking lake in the mountains. Yeah, Eddie. Yep. It was I was in the 60s today. I only put this on when the sun started going down. I was chilling. So I was hoping to trade my Lucid account tonight, but I don't know. Gold just looks like it wants to keep going up. Although right here, I don't know if this is going to hold, but like right here, we just rejected up to 786. I seen it like a zenith, but I wasn't watching it, so I missed it. But it's down fucking 42 ticks already. Well, it went down even more. It went down from 938 to 978. Was that 60 ticks? Sign me up. Now, I'm at the point here where I'm up 160, 170 bucks. Do I fucking 46 times 8? 46 times 8. That's all I'm going to end up with after all of this. This is why I fucking hate trading micros. But I was like, I'm not just going to fucking get out and then get back in. I said, fuck it. Just ain't right. Mwah. Eric Graham, I mean, it's nice, but it's not even close to FU money, bro. Not even close. I'd have to add a zero. I mean, and fuck who? I mean, that's still adding a zero to what I've been doing. I would put myself in a fuck you money category at that rate, but I'm not even close. But I appreciate it. Just keep pushing forward, man. Now, what I'm concerned about also is if we. What the fuck is that? That's not what I wanted to do. Where's my fib at? So I'm going to draw a happy little fib from the low to this last high. This could be right here. This could be a spot where it pulls back. Now, do I want to get up there? Do I want to get out there? And then to protect the bag? Or do I want to let it fucking pull back a little and go higher? I don't know. It's just something I've been working on. Obviously, if I was in a fucking mini, I'd be done already. But whatever. Just my style. What up? Carlos. 2K a day. I guess if you count like the trading days, man. I mean, fuck. If so I was Apex sent the new email out to affiliates about like, you know, how you portray yourself and how you act in, you know, for your audience, to how you trade Apex accounts with your audience. I personally don't think I have anything to worry about because I'm fucking fully transparent and I don't violate rules on purpose. Sometimes it happens, but I think I'm good. We were talking about it in the Discord, and I always tell everybody because people always fucking give me shit about the MAE rule. I'm like, don't fucking violate it. That's what stop losses are for. That's always been my stance on that shit. But anyway, if I get approved on this one right here and these two, yeah, see, we're approaching this area right here where it might pull back on me. I don't know if I want to fucking start taking some off. I don't fucking know. But anyway, if I get approved on that one and I get approved on these two, 561 and 562, which I'm going to request Monday after the market closes tomorrow, that will put me over 40,000. It'll put me over 41,000. Oh, motherfucker. It'll put me over 41,000 for the month. For the second month in a row, over 40K. Yeah, because some people would consider what I do is churn and burn. But I'm not like that anymore. I mean, I still blow accounts, right? We all know I still blow accounts. We all know how many PAs I'm up to. Don't fucking tweet about it. Fucking dumb fucks tweet about that shit, and I'm not even close to these other guys. Not even close. And I actually fucking at least show mine. So I guess I was an easy fucking target. But yeah, this is what I was worried about. And it did it at the 618. Go figure. My take profits up here at the 786 on the from this larger move here, but we'll see. I don't know. If this comes all the way back, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. I might just add. But I don't know. I'm taking accounts to their second and third and even fourth payouts. I'm just not doing it with every account, you know? So I don't know. In the beginning, when all I ever did was get one payout and I would blow accounts all the fucking time, maybe that would be considered churn and burn. But I don't know. I don't think I'm in that category. But I don't know because it's not very clear. It's not very clear. But I'm always trying to be a good example in my trading. I'm not very good at trading. But I'm getting better. Has it, Eric Graham, is it 190K in 7 months? I don't even know, bro. From trading? Let's see. Shit. Well, let's just do let's move this out of the way. Let's just talk about like since July. 14,200 in July, 14,100 in August, 2,000 in September, 14,088 in October, 11,992 in November, 34,400 in December. January, I think I did the math wrong with Lucid because they went to the 90-10 split and I counted the payouts as they were shown in my account. But so I think it was like 43,700. It was probably higher. And then this month, if I get approved on these others, I'll be at 41 and change. 41, 175 or some shit like that. That's 175 because I just took another payout from Lucid. So that put me at 35 grand, over 35 grand. And I have 2,000 pending with Apex and I'm requesting another 4. So just that alone is 175 since fucking July. Not bad. Not bad. Not too shabby. I mean, 120 of it is in the last 3 months. December, January, and this month, February. Will, thank you, sir. Yeah, I know what you mean, Eric. I know what you mean. Believe me, I know what you mean. I don't take it lightly. I just know there's levels to all this shit. Oh, yeah, Carlos, I know. Bowser. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a great trader. I'm getting better, but I wouldn't consider myself great. But every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Where are the rest of my accounts? I'm kind of annoyed because this is what I'm talking about. I had fucking 19. I had 25 fucking points. If that was a mini, I would have been done. Well, way done. Let's see if it keeps going. I was worried about the pullback, but I thought maybe it would come up here to this one or this one. It didn't. Let's see what happens. What's going on with gold? Because I do want to trade my Lucids. The thing about if you guys are not familiar with what happens with flex accounts after you get a payout, if you don't get the max payout, like I didn't, both times I got paid, you're left with half of what your balance was because he's going to take half. If you take half out, I always take what's available, the max amount that is available when it's available. You'll be left with half of what you take out minus $100. So that's where I'm here. But I'm actually like $250 to $300 more in drawdown this time around after the second payout than I was in the first payout. So I feel okay about that. And I missed a fucking golden opportunity. Look at this shit. Look at gold. Here's your high. Here's the last low. We came and retraced 78.6 fucking percent and dropped we dropped over 100 ticks. We dropped 114 ticks or some shit like that. I got none of it because I'm too busy dicking around in 4 fucking micros with the NQ because it was an accidental trade, so I added a little bit more. Carlos, yeah. I get it, bro. Bowser, maybe. I just think that I think people like me, they don't want what Brian did. They don't want all their influencers to be doing what Brian did. Let's just put it that way. You know, especially when they're portraying themselves and positioning themselves as these amazing traders who are super patient and all this, that, and the other thing. And when they're on stream, they're sitting there waiting to take the perfect trade. But then when they're off stream, they're fucking full-blown fucking, habitual rule-violating degenerates. They don't want people like me. They don't want that type of, they want us to be encouraging good trading habits. Do you notice, like, I know you guys know, like, a lot of you already that are watching this know that I trade the fibs. Do you know how many people are incorporating the Fibonacci retracements into their trading now because of me? I'm not like this great guy or anything or this great trader, but they're seeing that it's helping me, right? Or that it works. So now a bunch of people are doing it. What if I was incorporating really bad habits and saying, this is how I'm making it work. This is how it works for me. You should do the same thing. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I get where they're coming from. The best part about all of it is if you don't fucking like it, go trade somewhere else. That's what I tell everybody. Go trade over at Top Step. Talk about being transparent. Their fucking coaches don't even show their fucking balance. And they're doing all this. Their fucking rating on fucking Trustpilot is in the shitter because they went fucking funding ticks on everybody. Retroactive rule changes, telling people that they fucking hedged in fucking that one time in Bandcamp in 2009. They're fucked up. But everybody's so quick to fucking shit on Apex. Go trade with Top Step then. Have fun. And then when they have all these crazy system outages, the guy that owns the fucking company is going to tell you he's going to make it right, and he doesn't do shit. Gives people some free accounts. Coach Fred, what up? That's all. Oh, I can't believe this came. Well, I can. It came all the way back up. Let's see. Let's see if I'm going to get caught being a bitch right around here. Here's the 707. It just hit it. What up, O? Isaac. Yeah, my trade's still open. I didn't get out. My take profit's up here at A65. I'm chilling. I'm glad I didn't let myself get shaken out like a little bitch here, but I wonder if it's going to hold here. By the way, Apex is still 90% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. And if you don't want to trade with them because you're not happy with what they did to Brian Stanks or whatever the fuck his name is. Oh. This is where I'm gonna get bitched out. I'm gonna bitch out here. I think I have to. Here's the 786 from this low to this high, but I'm hoping that it wants to go higher, and I'm probably gonna get taken out. Keep pushing. Does it have it in it? You know, if you don't want to trade with Apex, you could. Trade Day is really good. Take Profit Trader is really good. Lucid is really good. My Fund the Futures is good. Bullinox is good. I knew that was coming. You can use the best fucking code 0DayJ on all of them. By the way, Lucid's 50% off right now. All in, no, on any size eval, any type for 2 uses. I still think it's going to come up here. I don't know why. I do think it's going to come up here, but whatever. That wasn't a bad trade. Look, it's the 786 from this low to this high. I did the right thing. I held through all of this shit like a big boy. Lucid's 50% off for 2 uses until like April or some shit. And then after that, it's 40% off up to 5 uses, any size eval, any type of eval. And this is what I'm afraid of, right? What is about to happen. I don't know. I could cancel these. And then if you use all 5 of those for the 40% off, you could get 30% off with the best fucking code 0DayJ. Take part trade is 40% off with no activation fee. Trade days 30% off with no activation fee. You'll get an extra 10% off, I think, as a new user. I think you get an extra 10% off with Lucid too. So you might get 60% off if you've never had an account with them before. And then how many points did this go up for beyond my take profit? That's not bad. 4 points. And then My Fund the Futures has a bunch of different things going on, and my code will work for just about everything that they have going on. Bacon, Michael E, MAGA Musketeer. Keep Top Slut out of your mouth. I just say, like, if people want to, like, people are, you know, I just feel like Top Step did a lot worse things, especially recently. Apex is just trying to move forward. They made an example of that one guy. Big time. But he abused the shit out of the system. And then you got his tummy sticks partner. Yeah, I'm glad I got out here. You got his tummy stick partners doing a fucking Twitter Spaces yesterday, trying to do damage control for his boy or whatever for their whole operation. Probably just made shit a lot worse. I call him Lying Lanto. We got Lying Lanto, Brian Stanks, and Lahedji. Yeah, I fucking said it. Nayo, what's up? Been saying it. Been saying it. I don't give a fuck. Anyway, it is what it is. Man, I'm glad I got out. What a fucking great fucking move that was. I got to activate all 11 of these. Although I got 2 that I don't know what happened. They must have given them back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 2. Did I not trade those? I thought I traded those. I got 2 that aren't traded. Nice little happy. Look at that 786, guys. You see, guys? We just dropped fucking 20 points off the 786 from this low and this high. We retraced 78.6% back to this high from this low, and it fucking rejected it. It's amazing. Here, right here, I had the fib drawn here. I mean, this is where I got my trade in on my flip days, my flip day for these 2 accounts. I could have held and fucking got so much more, but I just was happy to get out and have a green flip day. This was at the 707, a little bit. It wicked a little bit higher and dropped and retested the 707 on a much larger time frame, dating back to fucking Friday. From this low on Friday to this high on Friday, here was the 707. We kind of just been hanging around in this little zone right here, this little range for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I don't know, 2.5 hours. Shake and bacon. Yeah, Eric Graham, I get it, bro. Josh, what up? Yeah, dude, I mean, they're great, but just like everything else, they fail as well. They're not 100%. A lot of times when they fail, it's because it needed to be expanded to a large, a further down low or a further up high or some shit. But still, you know, you guys have seen me fucking get burned plenty of times. Punisher, what up? Crank, what's good? Oh, shit, man. Yeah, I got to activate 11 funded accounts with Apex. I got to drop 75 times fucking 11. $825. I wasn't planning on doing that last week. I can tell you that. I had 9 accounts I just got paid on. I had two $50 days on them, and then I fucked them. And then I had a couple of other accounts. It's just fucking stupid. Oh, speaking of which, hold on. I might have to relog into this shit. Oh no. Oh, it looks like Trade Iffy's live with well charts. This used to say coming soon. It looks like Trade Iffy is live with well charts. In case anyone likes trading with well charts, you can now with Trade Iffy. So these are the 2 accounts I have in here. This one I'm still waiting on that payout to be approved, which is right here. Hopefully tomorrow morning it'll be approved. And then I got 576. You know, the account's growing. Got almost all my drawdown. So let's see if I can trade this fucker right now. Interesting. Just looking. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I mean, this looks like it could go down another leg. You know, if you look at the larger time frame, I could see it dropping down to the 786 and then fucking bouncing, or just dumping. I don't know. Yash, what up? Fucking family members' futures. Yeah, I know. Andy, what's good? Carlos. Yeah, I mean, the way metals was moving was killing everybody. Simplistic, what's up? I'm good. I'm not getting snowed on. Kanon, what's good? Okay. All right, what the fuck are we doing here? Ew. What's gold looking like? Oh, look. You want to see something funny about gold? You want to see something, chat? Watch this, chat. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Hey, watch this. You got this happy little high and this happy little low. Oh, and look what happened. You see, guys? Look at that. 769 to fucking 90 fucking tick bounce right there. I missed it. 930 down to fucking 771. Almost, damn, 160 ticks off of this 786. You see, guys? Saved by the fibs. The Hedge twins. Not not a play off the Hodge twins. Maybe it is. JP, bro. JP. I think Handsome Dan made that one for me. People just keep making me fucking dope ass fucking thumbnails. I'll use them all. As long as, they're not, as long as they're appropriate. You know what I mean? I'll use anything. I don't care. You guys keep being all creative. Keep the creativity up. I love it. What's the NQ doing? All right, so watch this. How many points is that down from here? 826, 781. I got an order down here. We'll see if it comes down here. We will see if it comes down here. What could happen also is we can bounce. We came down here. Let's see if we retested this area and retest at the 786 from this low and this high. That could happen as well, which it looks like it just did, actually. Fuck me. Look, we dropped fucking. Dude, I think I did the right thing getting the fuck out of that trade, huh? Don't you think? Look at this shit. You see, guys, I got out, I didn't get out perfectly at the 70786. I wanted to give it a chance to potentially push higher, right? But look, I mean, it dropped fucking from where I got out. Imagine I just sat in this trade and rolled this out. Fuck that. I don't care if it goes up higher. I don't care. Who wants to do that? Who wants to sweat out fucking giving back all your fucking gains? We dropped from where I got out, we dropped 28 points. From the 786, we dropped from 53 down to fucking 21, 32 points. And go figure, look, this 786 is, we just missed hitting it, right? We just, actually, you know what? We just missed hitting the 78. We just missed hitting the 786 by a point or two. And so far it went up fucking 7 or 8 points. I don't know. On the larger time frame, I'm thinking it might come down here, but I had a feeling this could happen too. Charles Zhang, what up? Oh, I don't know. I just think it comes. I mean, we just bounced off the 786. I don't know. It looks kind of bear flaggy too. Look at here. It looks like ass. Here's the 30-minute. It looks like it could go down another leg, potentially. It hasn't been able to really curl up and go higher. It's just been kind of like cucking around in this range here. That's the 30-minute. Here's the hourly. It don't look great. Here's the 4-hour. It could, but I don't know. You know who knows? Only the market makers know. Crank. Man, it's getting wild for those guys. All the walls are fucking closing in on them. Charles, yeah, it is tough. I fortunately I missed. I feel like I missed. I dodged some bullets because I wasn't here. I was playing baseball. I didn't get home until like 6:30. Then I ate, and then I started trading as I was finishing up eating, and then I hopped on the stream. What do I think about Brian Stank? I always thought he was sketchy. I've been saying it for fucking months. That things aren't always as they seem with guys like him. The guy literally fucking lumped in his affiliate commissions and said he made all this money from trading. What was wrong with this was a year ago. What was wrong with the amount of money he actually did make from trading? Why do you have to feel the need to throw your fucking affiliate commissions in with it and say it's all from trading? He got called out by Patrick. And he fucking admitted it. And then he's trying to say that he's always been transparent now. No, you haven't. That right there tells me you're fucking shady as fuck. You don't see me lumping in my fucking commissions to make myself look better and saying it's from payouts. Mike. Yeah. And then they're hanging out, all three of those guys together. Birds of a feather flock together. Lanto's fucking taking screenshots of his fucking bragging about how much money he made with his black account, his Lucid black accounts or whatever they were, his funded black accounts or funded pros. And then the next morning he's bragging about how much money he made with director funded Lucid accounts, but failed to mention that he fucking blew the other accounts. And who knows how many in between all that. And then got called out on it and then starts blocking people for fucking calling him out for even asking it. I was like, hey, bro, I noticed, you know how I am. It's like, I noticed you had the black funded accounts last night and now you have the fucking straight to funded accounts. Are we allowed to trade with 10 now with Lucid? Let me know because I'm fucking loading up. And he blocked me. Even fucking that jerk off Sage fucking called him out, and rightfully so. The former chief rug pull officer at Fast Track. Yep. If only the government would actually do it too, Mike. So it looks like it's holding here. Look at this 786. It just missed it. It just missed it. 21, 18 points. I would love 18 points with a mini. I was worried about it coming down more, so I had my order down here. I would love 18 fucking points. Do not trust anyone who buttons up their polo shirt. You got to leave the top button at the very least. Come on, guys. Mike Crotch, what up? V33. Whatever. He left that minor detail out. I don't give a fuck what he did. Ed Sod. I want like now that shit's coming out about the $750,000 worth of pro resets or whatever with Take Profit Trader, and I have no problem. If all he just did was come out and say, yeah, I fucking did that, but look at my fucking ROI. The problem is they portray themselves as these great fucking traders. Meanwhile, when they're not streaming and when they're off stream, they're doing fucking full-blown degenerate shit to fucking chasing that fucking huge fucking payday or that huge fucking move so they could fucking show the crazy stats and sell more fucking paid Discord memberships and shit. And for you to use their code. That's the fucking problem. And then fucking acting like they're king shit and not fucking coming clean about shit. Just say you fucking did spend all of it. Say, yeah, I did, and I'll do it all again. Look at my fucking ROI. I don't know if it's even true. That's like the new thing about fucking Lanto. You got all this shit controversy following them around. Next trade, Lou, what up? Coach Fred, yeah. I would have loved 18 points here. Now you see what just happened? What is right here is about the 7.862. So it came down, just missed hitting the 7.86, popped, came back, and is so far it retested at the 7.07. Now is it going to go up? I wanted to flush because my orders are down here. Well, my order. Gerard, yeah, exactly. Like, I don't know. And they're not the only ones. You got guys there's so many people, and girls too, who don't even fucking show their account numbers. God forbid you ask. You got people who are fucking the chosen ones over at big fucking prop firms not showing their fucking balances. Why not? And then when you ask them, they're like deflect and they just refuse to show it. Why? I think the only one who shows their balances over at Top Step is that dude Aaron Trades. So I respect him. You know? I don't really have any issues with anybody else. It's just Dakota. Because he fucking blocked me for asking and insulted my intelligence. He basically called me fucking stupid. And then said, "Come with me, trade." Shut the fuck up. I'll fucking slap the shit out of you. Shut the fuck up. Just fucking show your account balance. You got Rips blocking me for asking what account number his PAs are up to. Why? Just say what you're up to. People get mad at me because I'm like, oh, you're hating on them. I'm not. I'm calling out their fucking bullshit. Show your fucking account numbers. It's not that big of a deal. Show your balance. It's not that big of a deal. Unless you have something to fucking hide or you're embarrassed of it. I fucking show my shit proudly. I don't give a fuck. Especially with Apex. Because Apex goes up as you get new ones. The number goes up specifically to your account. I'm about to add 11 more. I'm about to add 11 more fucking PAs, which would put me at, what? Let's see. 593 PAs. I don't give a fuck. I'm fucking profitable overall as a trader with this prop firm shit. I'm profitable overall with Apex. Sue me. So, like, at least I'm showing my shit and people want to fucking say shit about it. At least I show it. Half these fucking people, you don't even know what the fuck they're trading. You don't even see what they're getting in with. And then like Rips, another great example. I hate picking on this guy because maybe deep down in private, he's a fucking swell guy. But the guy will be on the fucking stream. He'll be fucking streaming. You're just watching. You don't even know what the fuck's going on. Like, but just made 34,000. How? Show us. Show me the fucking entry and the exit at least. You don't have to show when you're getting in because the market makers are watching. Show it. Show it. Is that too much to fucking ask? Or am I just fucking, I don't understand. I don't understand. They would save themselves so much more fucking, they would save themselves a lot of bullshit if they just were fucking really actually transparent. They wouldn't be in this fucking shit right now. So whatever. I don't fucking, that's that. They want to do that. That's fine. You know, I'll just keep fucking being honest with my shit and I'll let the cards fall where they may. So this is holding right here. It's retesting that just about the same area, a little higher. Look, hold on. I got to get back to this full screen. Although, I do want it to drop. I want it to fucking blow through this. I want it to come all the way down here. Oh, you paid 3 so-called mentorships and none of them show their shit live. Who? Name names. I want to hear. Coach Fred, yeah, what a fucking novel idea. What a novel concept. Showing your shit. Check out my broker statements. They're so quick to do that, though. 1-800-Maestro. Check out my broker statement. Pine tree. Alex, with Apex now, it's just under 40 grand. And that all happened in the last fucking month. Or, yeah, that all happened in the last month. I finally fucking got to fucking break even and being and profitable. I was on a bat. It was on this batch of payouts right here. Where are they? I mean, there's so much since these right here. This batch right here. This right here pushed me. This paid off my tuition completely, and then I was green. And then I've gotten all of this since. And then if this gets approved, and then the other two that I'm going to request tomorrow, these two, 561 and 562, maybe I'll be at like 45K in profitability just from Apex. And I became fully profitable, profitable overall since day one, sometime in December. I don't know the exact date, but like since around mid-December, I'm probably fucking like net like fucking 80 to 90 grand on everything. Because I'm about to be at 120 grand in the last 3 months, as long as I get approved on the one that's pending right now and these two. That will put me at 41,000 and change for the month, and I could potentially get more depending on how I trade. Oh, we retested the 786 here. Depending on how I trade these, because I got 2 payouts from these. I just got paid on Friday again, 2 Fridays in a row, and I'm gonna see if I can do it for a third Friday. Just need 5 days of $150 or more. How hard can it be? But anything is possible. And people are like, oh, you had so many fucking accounts. Yeah, so what? So what? Can't take my profitability away from me. Anyone that's got a problem with it, go fuck yourself. Chart Dad. Benjamin, what up? Is that a fib extension down there, or am I just happy to see you? It's not a fib extension. It's just on the larger time frame. I think you're talking about this right down here. Look, it's fucking. There's a 786 touch. It just missed touching it here. We popped, and then it came down. I'm sorry for anybody who might be long right now. I want it to fucking flush down here. This is right around the 786 on the larger time frame. If I go here back to the hourly, we got this low from Friday, right? And then all that fucking news. I forgot what it was. Unemployment claims, all this shit on Friday. CPI or some shit. We popped. Here was the high from Friday, and we came all the way down. We're at the 707. We bounced off of it a couple times. This is the third 707 touch on that fib. And I'm hoping that it comes down here to the 786. Oh, I didn't realize that it's at 779. I'm going to put my order a little lower, like 781.50. Oh, look. Oh, shit. This is the 707. I mean, it's just hanging in this fucking area, man. I wish it would just give it up already. Tommy, yeah, I mean, it wasn't a bad spot for a scalp, right? You had this fucking bounce here. You had this. We had some opportunities for scalps at the very least, even for shorts. I mean, this is the short. I mean, I got out of this. Long that I was in with these accounts. Let me just make sure I don't have any open fucking orders. 2, 3. I wish I went in short after 4, 5, 6, 7. We made a new low, but we're still hanging around this 707 here for now. You see, guys, right here. You see, we're still hanging around in that area. So I don't know what it wants to do. Vincenzo, what up? Yeah, I know. Crazy fucking way to win, too. Guy gets his teeth knocked out earlier in the game or some shit, and he fucking scores the game winning goal to secure the gold for his country. That's fucking cool. Zen. Yeah, I hope it holds for you. I hope it holds for you, bro. I think we get back to where you're looking to take profit. I just don't know if it's going to happen right now. I think we might go lower, but hey, here we are. It's bouncing. It's holding at this 707 again. I mean, right there, just that alone, 17. I would love 17 points. I just didn't want to have my order here. I don't like this spot here at all. Even though it's retesting the 707, it's like the third fucking touch. Carlos, champions don't care about teeth. Coach Fred DBA blocks for privacy. It's for our protection. Wow. What was that? Yeah. 18, 17, 18 points. I would have taken that. I still think it's gonna go down. I don't know. Into the new hour and sweep down here. Got my order down here. What's gold doing? It's kind of like not. What's the range on gold today? We did fucking pump. So went from 121 to 198. 770 ticks is the range on gold right now so far. Do we stay in that range all day? That would be cool. But if we fucking start dropping bombs on Iran, we're probably gonna go higher. Fuck, I'm tired, yo. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to hang out in the best fucking community, where the DGen fam and the DCA gang hangs out, here's the link. It's free for now. Robin, what's up? No, DBT, they Well Charts had an exclusivity agreement with Apex for the first year, and that expired. They had some sort of contract for the first year. It was exclusive to just Apex. And then after that, they were able to venture out and get other firms. So when you watch, when I go to like refresh and reset the whole thing, you got fucking family members futures here. And you got trade iffy trade. It's been saying coming soon. But it's actually now you could actually, I think, connect to it. But I don't trade with either one of those. I just trade with Apex. But it's pretty fucking cool. Good. I'm happy for Rob. Rob's a nice guy. They got the CEO of Well Charts. Very nice guy. Apparently, he's a really good fucking trader too. But this is his baby, and I'm happy that he's able to fucking, expand this shit. Alfred, are you here to teach me a lesson in humidity? Marcos. No. I mean, I have. I don't have any. I don't have any intentions on trading with them anytime soon. I'm not a. I just know that Brett rug pulled a bunch of motherfuckers on some NFT that he sold for thousands of dollars to a lot of people, long before starting his own prop firm was even a fucking idea in his brain. So for that, I don't know. And it doesn't. It's nothing against trade iffy. What up, J Bot? Um, that's just me personally because I know Brett from way before he started trade iffy. Actually, my first exposure to the Fibonacci retracement was from Brett. They're doing a really good job with trade iffy. I just don't want to trade with them anytime soon. Maybe if Brett fucking tells me, did I just get fucking disconnected? I saw my fucking camera fucking flash. That's the government. The government just fucking got access to my shit. My fucking webcam turned off and turned back on. Maybe, hey, if he comes and tells me I gave all those people back their money in ETH. Whatever ETH he sold his shit for. Which is never gonna happen. But one can dream. Zero Stream J. Trade C? I heard it was pretty good. I don't know. Mike Crotch. Alfred, are you going to be a master beta tester for that? For Trade C? Coach HID in the place to be. What up? Oh my God. Is this really going to just fucking hold here? I did disappear, didn't I? Did I? What the fuck? Trend friend, what's up? The master beta tester. Michael E, you'd have to the way well charts works is that you just like you would choose Trade Evade or Rhythmic, you just choose well charts as the option. So you would go here, well charts, and you could pick up whatever size account you want. Same way if you were to do it with, Trade Evade or Rhythmic. I don't know what any of this shit is. What the fuck is this? Oh, those are add-ons. Rebby. Vinny Lee. Yeah. I mean, I don't listen. Do I think it happened on purpose? I don't think so. But I don't know. How would we even know? The story goes he put the money in FTX, and Sam Bankman-Fried got everybody. He was supposed to treat it like a hedge fund and trade all the money from everybody who bought an NFT, and then he was going to redistribute the profits to the holders. That's how it was supposed to play out. Carlos, please. When did you request, Carlos? On Friday? I requested on Thursday, so I'm hoping when I wake up, mine will be good. Tick Daddy. February 18th. That was Wednesday. you're still pending from February 18th request? Hold on a sec. When did I request? I requested on the 19th, which was Thursday. Shit, I might not get approved till like Tuesday then. So Wednesday and Friday. Uh-oh. Mine have been the last batch was I think 3 business days. It's been like somewhere between 2 or 3 business days for the last like basically this entire month. Well, look who it is. Look who it is. He can't hear me. He's deaf. I don't even know if he knows I'm in here. He's this fucking guy. The February 17th one got approved? Yeah, that's weird. Oh. I mean, Crank, if you're used to trading on like Tradeovate, if you like Tradeovate, then just stick with Tradeovate. Oh, it's 40% off only on well charts? Oh. Hey, Mike Crotch. He's back as Mike Crotch. He knows I'm in here. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Old man Withers. All right. Yeah, I didn't know that. So it's 40% off for people who are on well charts. I mean, if you get an account through well charts, it's 40% off, and no other platform. Listen, a couple of things I would recommend. If you're gonna trade on it. Trade on the full screen like this. It's a lot easier to trade this way versus doing it like this with like the accounts, because it's tough. It's very tight in here. You can kind of hide that. You could collapse this shit, right? But I just go on the full screen. It's so much easier. Yeah, Andy likes it. Some people really like it. All right, I got to bring this guy. Go downstairs with this guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. This fucking guy. Yeah, this shit is just cucking around right here. Look, we hit the 786 twice. I'm loading this so I can see the chat. Old man Rivers wants his chicken. Rand gap, I think there is, but I think it's like 30 days. I think it's a lot longer. Apex. I think it's like 6 months. Yeah, I don't know. Why would you? Why you going on vacation or something? I know it's like not like some platforms are like a week. Yeah, one. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was 180 days. See, I'm not crazy with the fact that I got all of these fucking points. I got 31 points. And because I was in micros by mistake and I decided to stay with it and add a little bit more to the position, I didn't get, I could have got so much more. But you know what? If I was in a mini, I would have gotten out here at 43, which was over 20 points. I would have been thrilled with that. I guess this isn't going to happen. We do have some new hour fuckery about that. It wants to go up. Fucking blows. I wanted to get filled. The 707 seems to want to hold for now. It bounced over 20 points. See if he wants to eat. You motherfucker, you don't like this shit. Eat it, bro. Oh, my wife didn't. She grinded this food and chicken instead of cutting it. Come on, buddy. There you go. There you go. Yummy. 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 Come in. Come on. See? You see, guys? This is my fucking life. Hand feeding the dog. I got to give him samples first before we eat the rest of the bowl. Yeah. There you go. You want the rest of it? Come on. Stop being a picky little cuck. Yo, he doesn't want to eat it like that. This fucking guy. There he goes. Sorry, chat. Is this gonna drop? I mean, this shit's not really moving right now. It's kind of annoying. All right. Time to bring this party back upstairs. All right, chat. Dog dad of the decade. Oh, Alfred. Yeah, I traded I was in a, what happened was I got my flip days in on these two. I flipped a micro, and then I didn't realize I was still on micros, so I entered a position on these five, and I realized it was one fucking micro, so I added a few more, and I got a bunch of fucking points. But whatever, I almost top ticked it. It is what it is. Let me get the fuck out of these though. I don't want to trade micros anymore. I gotta activate 11 fucking PAs. This shit is not moving. Where's Zcash at? Oh shit, my battery's dead on my phone. Manuel, what up? Thanks, man. Got some really creative people in the DCA gang. All right, be good, just ain't right. Mwah. DGen, what up? No, it's for 40. Apparently, it's 40% off. Trade Iffy is now offering well charts as one of their trading platform options, and you can get 40% off well charged Trade Iffy accounts. That's what people are talking about. Got your rank app. Just hit up support, be like, hey, I'm leaving. I'm going to be out of town. I'm going on vacation for a week or whatever it is. You could always just activate them and then get a flip day in also. But there's no like week long. It's not like an active like Take Profit Trader. You have to trade. You have to trade during like Take Profit Trader and My Fund the Futures. I think they're like once every 7 days you have to trade. So a lot of them are like that. I think my Bullinox is like that. I think. Dude, this shit ain't fucking moving at all. What the fuck is going on? What kind of news we have? Tuesday, you got Trump's talking at 9 p.m. on Tuesday. Who the fuck was that? Like a State of the Union? Oh, I think that's a State of the Union. That should be interesting. Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday, you got PPI. Kind of a light week on news, on like data. What about earnings? Hims and hers. AMC. I don't think any of this really moves the NQ. NVIDIA. Here we go. NVIDIA has earnings on Wednesday. That's a big one. So Wednesday, after the market closes, expect fireworks. Shit. Justin O. I don't remember, but yeah, NVIDIA could do that. Probably the last time NVIDIA had earnings, I wasn't even trading the NQ. I was probably only trading gold. I was definitely only trading gold, I would say. But I'm trading the NQ now with fucking Apex because they made me. Thanks to Brian Stanks. Yeah, I love how my shit gets fucking unchecked. Look, it gave it up. Time to expand to the next low. The VWAP. Here's the next low. Seven eight six, 786. Does this hold here? Is that the VWAP? So from this 786 right here, this rejection off of this high, we are down now over 200 ticks. Next low after that is down here. Next low after that is down here. And then this is like the last low before we come we have to fucking really expand this shit. That shit just bounced fucking almost 70 fucking ticks. Meanwhile, oh, is this it? Are we finally gonna break this fucking this looks like, like a bear flag. Are we finally gonna break it? Did Bitcoin sell off? I'm actually in a fucking position with Zcash. I got in here. So where I fucked up, I think I'll be okay. Right here, right around here was the 786 from this high, or the 707 from this high, from this low and this high. I thought about expand. I kind of wanted to get in there just in case that was going to be where it was going to bounce, but I was always in the back of my mind worried that it would come down more to this. If I expanded it to this low, 707, 786, I had an order to add to get in with more right here, and it just missed filling me. It just fucking missed filling me. My order was at 227 to add more, which was, I think, the 707, just before the 707 on the larger time frame, and it came down to just under 230. Just missed filling me. I would have been in really good shape. I was actually green in this position over. I don't know if I got to 100. This is Mexi, some crypto shit, and then I'm in a gold long in another account. I took a screenshot of it. That one's looking okay. That's a shared account, but I'm logged in. This is my personal Mexi account. Oh, you can't even see it because my fucking head's in the way. Hold on. Let me move my head to the other side. I'm in with 10. What am I in with? What leverage am I in with? 10x leverage. There. My average entry was 247. I was green for a little bit, and then I woke up and we dropped. I was worried that was going to happen, but I was okay with it, hoping that I would get added here. But my liquidation in this position is at 223. I think my liquidation is going to change if I add here. Pretty sure that's how it works. But if I were to get liquidated and I didn't have this add order right here to add more, this long order to add more, I would lose $357. What do you fucking do? But it's real money. Anyway, let's go back. Someone just said Bitcoin sold off, so I wanted to make sure that Zcash didn't fucking dump with it, at least any further. Look at this shit. You fucking kidding me right now? I just wanted to drop. Look, this is a 786. Look at that. I don't know if it's going to hold here, but we just keep fucking bouncing off 786s and rejecting off of them too. Watch this. It breaked over it a little bit. I just wanted to fucking just give me a little flashy dump right down to 781. I just can't sit around and wait for this. Alan Rose, what up? Mexi. I mean, obviously I have like a Gemini account, but Mexi because I could trade with leverage. I'm looking for some U.S. based alternatives that I could trade with leverage with, but I don't know. There aren't many good ones. I guess gold, one of the fucking. I mean, I missed these little 730. That shit went up 90 ticks. Fuck me. Robert Dallas, what up? Yeah, this shit ain't moving. I mean, I feel like, man, if we get below this right here, it's gonna come here. Is this gonna drop here or what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fucking give up on this shit because I'm getting tired and I want to fucking hop off and chill out. And it's gonna drop. Ooh. Pablo Picasso, that's fucking beautiful, man. Good shit, bro. Good fucking shit. Well, it's retesting the low a day. Whoops. Making new lows. It just made a new low. It just made a new low. Rebby, I'm hoping 780. I'm hoping a little lower than that. I got my order here at 780, 150. If it doesn't happen in the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna get off. I might leave the order. I'll bring my laptop with me to chill, but I'm starting to fucking get tired, man. That was an 8. Little casual 9-point bounce, 10-point bounce. Casual 10-point right there. That's not good. If you wanted to come down lower. What's gold doing? Kind of just chilling right here. It did drop down to the VWAP and bounce off of it. Damn, that shit bounced 15 fucking points. I don't know if it wants to go any lower. It might, but I don't know. What the fuck does this dog want now? What does he want now? I just fed him. Oh my god. What's up? Oh, here we go. This is gonna happen. Fuck. My battery's fucking dying over here. Watch out. He's got to go handle his business. Well, I guess he doesn't want to come down now. Excuse me. Yeah, they killed a cartel member or some shit. They killed like a cartel lead, like the leader of a cartel, or the cartel. What they think they were just gonna? It was just gonna. They were just gonna be like, I guess we're gonna pack our bags. They have provisions in place for shit like that. Obviously, they're in a dangerous business with their fake Mexican president. You know what I'm talking about? You guys know what I'm talking about, right? How's that even possible? How does that even happen? The airport's closed? Damn, it's fucking bad over there. What's going on here? All right, I don't know. I'm gonna call it, guys. I want to hang out longer, but my wife's waiting on me to go hang out with her and my daughter, so I got to do that. Shit, he's going back out there. I'll wait for this guy to come back in. I'm not gonna. I mean, we might drop. I mean, I got an order around right before this 786 on this larger time frame, on this hourly fib that I have drawn. But I don't know. I'm just getting tired of fucking waiting. I missed a couple of kind of decent opportunities. Wasn't really feeling them. And my battery's dying. And I'm down here stuck waiting on this fucking dog. So I'm probably better off just calling it here to avoid any fucking potential aggravation. We did some good things. I was in this trade. We locked in gains. And then I locked in day 8 on these two. So I'm going to request after the market closes. I got the pending payout I'm waiting on. And I'll be on for power hour. And later on, I'll probably be hanging out in the Discord. So if you guys aren't hanging out in the best community on these prop firm streets yet, that's free for now. Here's the link one more time for that. Tickle. Renee Bleu. Here's the link for the Discord. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. It's not even a fucking question. Better than most, if not all, paid Discords. But anyway, yeah, I got to bounce. So I don't think this is happening anytime soon. Oh, shit. Oh, no, never mind. It just doesn't seem like it's going to happen anytime soon. But I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be on for power hour tomorrow. I'll be hanging out in the Discord, on and off as I'm trading and shit. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe so you don't miss my next stream or any of my update videos. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your night.